Hello everyone! So this is my second CVS haul for this week, November 1 to November 7 of 2020 CVS deal. So I did a spend 30 and get $10 extra bucks reward, and I able to pick up also the Babu tissue roll, in which I used my BAGO coupon for that. And I pick up again the Almay Cosmetics. So the Almay is spend 12 and you will get $6 extra bucks reward. And it's a limit of 6. So last Sunday, November 1, I already picked up some Almay Cosmetic, and I did it twice, and I got $12 extra bucks reward. And I had an offer on that. So in my receipt last Sunday, it says here that amount need to earn reward is $7.52. So I need to spend $7.52 again for the cosmetic in order for me to get $6 extra bucks reward. But since I still have 5 of 12 CRT, I decided to pick up the expensive foundation so that I can get it for free, and at the same time I will get $12 extra bucks on that. So from last Sunday, it's $7.52 amount need to earn reward, and in order for me to hit it twice again, I need $16.48, total of $24 to get $12 extra bucks reward. So I pick up the Almay Clear Complexion, this one, and it says it's cruelty free. It's beige. And then I used the 5 of 12 Almay CRT. So I paid $11.49, but I get back $12 extra bucks reward for hitting it twice from last Sunday's remaining and the new amount for this foundation. And this is the $12 extra bucks reward that I got from Almay. So this is my spend 30 and get $10 extra bucks reward. So I pick up the Honey Nuts Cherrios. So I pick up 2, and I also pick up 2 apple cinnamon. So they are priced for $1.99. So the 4 are $7.96. And then I use the 2 of 8 Breakfast CRT. And then I use 2 of $1 Cherrios printable coupon from coupon.com, so it's total $2, and then the $1 digital coupon glitch also for the Cherrios. And then I pick up also the bouncer sheets. So this one is 120 count, and it's priced for $5.94, and then I use the $2 printable coupon from P&G. So next is the Tide Pods. So it's priced for $4.94. So in this Tide Pods 16 count, I use the $2 off printable coupon for Tide Pods from png.com. And in the other Tide Pods, I use the $2 off from P&G Insert. And then I pick up also the Tide Liquid. So this one is 46 ounce and it's priced for $5.94. And then I use the $2 off printable coupon from png.com. And then I pick up the Progresso Soup, and it's 2 for 3, and there's no coupon for this. So this is my note for my spend 30 and get $10 extra bucks reward. So my subtotal are $32.72, and here are all the coupons that I use. So in here, the amount that I need to pay is $19.72, but my $2 Tide Liquid printable coupon is beeping. So what I did is I pull out this Tide Liquid in the first transaction, and I paid it separately, in which when I separate this, it became more better because my $2 Tide Liquid digital coupon came out also, and at the same time I able to use the $2 printable coupon, making it much better deal for the Tide liquid. So instead of $3.94, I only paid $1.94 for the Tide liquid. So this is my receipt. So the Progresso is $2.43, then the Cherrios is $1.99, and then the Tide Pass, the 12 count, is $4.94, and the other one is $4.94 also, the 16 count. And then the bouncer sheet is $5.94, and the Almay Cosmetics is $16.49, and my coupon first is for the Tide Pass, the other one is for the Bouncy, and then the two $1 for Cherrios. And this one, the one Tide, is attached to the other pads, and my CRT, and then I use the $27 extra bucks reward. So this one is 0 out of pocket, is 100% savings. I save $71.30. So this is the receipt for the Tide liquid. So the Tide liquid is $5.94. So the cashier manually put in the $2 printable coupon, and thank you so much to the CVS cashier. She's so kind. So after putting the $2 printable coupon, it ended up to $3.94. So coupon savings. And then my $2 digital coupon for Tide came out. So what a sweet deal. So I end up paying $1.94 for Tide liquid instead of paying $3.94. So it's much better. That's why in my note, instead of paying $19.72, since the $2 Tide digital coupon came out, so I end up paying $17.72. And then I get back $10 extra bucks reward, making it $8 for 10 items or 80 cents each. And this is my $10 extra bucks for Spend 30. So next I pick up the Pantene shampoo. So this is price for $3 for $15, and when you spend $15 you will get $5 extra bucks reward. So I pick up the Pantene Pro V Gold. So this one is Heat Primer, and then I pair it with the Suave Kiss because I need some shampoo for our daughter. And this is my note for my Pantene deal. So it's $3 for $15, and spend $15 you will get $5 extra bucks reward. So the 3 are $15, and then the Suave Kids shampoo is priced for $4.49. So my soft total are $19.49. And then I use the 4 of 18 shampoo CRT. I use the $5 off Pantene manufacturing coupon from October 18 PNG insert. And then I use the $1.50 Suave Kids manufacturing coupon from November 1 Unilever insert. And then my $5 off Pantene digital coupon glitch. So I paid $3.99, and then I get back $5 extra bucks reward, making it free plus $1.01 money maker for the shampoo deal. So next is the Irish Spring. So the Irish Spring bar soap is spend 8 and you will get $4 extra bucks reward, and it's buy one get one 40% off. So I don't have coupon and CRT for the Irish Spring, but I decided to pick a 4 because I love this bar soap and also the Irish Spring body wash. So this is my note for my Irish Spring. So it's priced for $3.89, and the 40% off is $1.95. So the two are $5.84, and then the other two also are $5.84. So I paid $11.68 for 4 bar soap, and then I got back $4 extra bucks reward, making it $7.68 or $1.92 each. So next I pick up the Babu bathroom tissue, and this is 8 count, and it says unbleached bamboo tissue, and this is 100% bamboo and 3 free, and it's non-GMO. So I pick up 4 because I had coupons that I use in this deal. So it's priced for $10.99, and this is my note for that. So it's buy 2 and you will get $3 extra bucks rewards. Buy 1 get 1 free. So I paid only for 2 Babu because the 2 are free. So the 2 are $21.98, and then less the buy 1 get 1 8 count toilet tissue coupon. So I end up paying just 1 for $10.99, and then I got back $6 extra bucks reward, making it $4.99 for 4 or $1.24 each. And this is my receipt for that. So the Pantene is 3 for $15, and then the Babu here is priced for $10.99. So the 2 are free. And here the Irish Spring is $3.89, and the 50% off is $1.95. And this is the coupon. $1.50 is for Suave. The $5 is for Pantene, the insert, and the $5 is for the Pantene digital coupon that glitch. And here is my BOGO coupon for the Babu. That's why I end up paying only for 1 item for the Babu, the $10.99, because of the BOGO coupon and my CRT. And then I used $23 extra bucks here, and I paid $4.58 because I did not use my gift card again. So this is the extra bucks reward that I got. The $6 is for the Babu, is for purchasing 2. And then the $4 is for the Irish Spring, and the $5 is for the Pantene. So I got $15 extra bucks reward. And my total out of pocket for first and the last one is $6.64. This is my note. So the 23 items cost 28 cents each. So the cashier gave this gift bag to me. So thank you so much to the cashier of CVS. So she hand over this to me, and there's a lot of free items inside. So this bag is free. And there is a booklet also that there's a lot of coupon inside when it comes to vitamins, in which I'm taking also the Live Better vitamins, the vitamin D. And there is here, there is a black elderberry coupon and the Nature Made coupon, and it will expire October 31. This will expire already, but there is some here that's not yet expired. Okay. Here. So this one is CVS Health fish oil $5 coupon, and there is $8 also here. And this one is $8, and it will expire to like March 1, 2021. And I'm excited when I see the coupon for Live Better, and it will expire March 31, 2021. And it's like save $8 on 10 purchase. So it's a big savings on that. And this one is $5 also. And sometimes there is a spend deal on Live Doctor vitamins, in which this one is very helpful. And there's a lot more here. So I hope your store have this free bag. Oh, this is so cute. $10 on Joy for All. There's a lot of coupons, very helpful. And here are the items that's inside this bag. So this one is Relaxa Day Calm. So I think I had two of this. One of this. And then there is for dry mouth, so there is 2. And then this one is for dry noses. And there's melatonin gummy. And then there's elderberry gummies, in which we're taking this one also. And then the collagen beauty to go. And then there is Frisca immunity boost. And then the stress support, another melatonin, and then this is like blister, like joint pain, like that. And then this one is the silicone gel. So it's a nice freebie bag. So thank you so much guys for watching, and have a blessed day everyone.